Bluegill, bluegill. Yes! Yes! Oh no. Can you please land him? Yes! Let's go! Y'all, what is going on? I'm here with my buddy Ethan. There you are. And we're just gonna do some live bait fishing today. We got quite the walk, so I'm gonna cut the camera and we'll see you there. All right, so we have made it to this dock. Ethan's got the cast net. Gosh, that lighting is bad. All right, here, let's try again. Ethan's got the cast net. He's gonna give several throws. Try and catch some bait fish. Anything? Nope. Yes. All right, so my hat just fell in the water, so I had to use my popper to snag it. All right, let's raise it up.
Oh, you got your hat in the water?
Yeah, and then snagged it back. All right. All right, hat is back. Awesome. Any farther, we can go in for you. All right, yeah, thank you. All right, so update. After a whole hour of trying to catch fish, finally got some. And setting out the first line. Hope we're gonna catch something. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna start using the shad like you are. Is it hickory shad or American?
No, that's definitely gizzard shad.
Gizzard? Okay.
There's a light dot. Hickory shad has
Okay. Let's drop them down. Okay, got it all set up. Oh, there's fish on here. There's a fish on here. Yes! Yes! Fish on. Oh. Ethan, what did... Oh, Ethan, you caught a catfish. All right, boat flipping. Yes! Well, first fish of the day on the gizzard shad. That's pretty cool. Oh, I feel so bad. This was Ethan's rod too, and I reeled it up. So I'm not that good with catfish species. Oh, you gotta really be careful because the spine's on him. But like, I'm pretty sure this is a bullhead just because of the way it looks. Here, that's a better angle. Check that out. All right, see you, buddy. Thanks for biting. Yuck, look at that slime. That's nasty. That was super cool. Got the skunk off of the table for today. Now let's check my rod. Nothing, still nothing. All right, well, I'm gonna be like Ethan and fish mine on the bottom.
Caught the
All right,
bigger crappie and then I caught the shad.
my gizzard shad time. Let's go. Oh, look at that nice juicy shad. All right, go catch a big catfish. Yeah, I don't blame you. Checking the rod again. Let's check. These catfish really don't like to actually just pull. They just eat it and they just sit there. So as you can see, the sun is starting to go below the treetops. Nathan's finally here. So we got the best cast netter with us now. Ethan, you got a fish. You want to hook it?
Just hook it. Just get it. I got it.
Get him. Yes. Let me get the big camera. Yes, we got one. Let's go, Ethan. How does he feel?
I don't know if it could be a catfish, could be a bass. I have no idea.
Oh, dude, that's a bass.
Catfish.
That's a big catfish?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
This is a brown bullhead.
Get that man in the mouth.
Hook.
Yes.
Yeah.
There we go.
You can hand it up to me. I'll get it. Thank you so much.
Very nice.
Let's
What'd
go.
you just catch, Ethan?
Some sort of catfish. Maybe a brown bullhead.
All right.
Maybe a channel cat. We'll see.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Catfish.
Yeah. Let him go. Let him grow. Dude, let's go. Ethan's hooked on a giant bass. How big do you think he is?
I don't know. I don't want to guess. Maybe 3 if I had to guess.
You're bottom rigging this, right?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, he is running. He is running.
Okay, Nathan, probably gonna need you over here.
Oh, that's a good fish. All right, just walk him around.
Nathan's
nice
the
and
captain
easy.
for a reason.
That's
I got a
awesome.
scale, so we're good.
I do too. Dude.
Lip them.
Yeah,
Come on, do the bass fishing. Oh, goodness. Oh, yeah, let's go.
Way to go. That's like that's over 3 easy.
That's 3, maybe 4.
Look at Mr. Bug Eye right here.
Okay.
Look at how fat that guy is.
2.15. 2.15.
Man.
I've never seen a 2-pounder be this big before.
Oh no. Yup, there he goes. Beautiful.
Oh, he's gonna get caught in that line.
Beautiful. There he goes. He is gone. I got a heavy bottom weight right here, and then a bluegill hooked through the tail at the end. All right. Buddy, please move a lot, give off a lot of action, and catch me a biggin. Ethan's slinging out the biggest bait fish so far. That'll be cool if you can catch something on that.
This guy, this dude.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
What are you doing?
All right, fish on here.
Oh, really?
Yep. Fish on. Yep. Oh, he came off. Oh, man. He wasn't a big guy. Are you kidding me?
I bet I already had one go at that fish.
Okay, I need to stop hook setting it so hard. Oi.
That thing's gone.
Okay.
Oh my God.
This is actually getting tiring. Like, something just keeps eating it, but then it doesn't want to get hooked.
It takes a nibble at it.
Fish. What?
Brian, you have struck out tonight.
I have. Legit, the line was just moving.
I don't know what's ever been grabbing. We don't have any, like,
All right, gonna let it sit here. Please catch me a fish. Well, it's kind of tough right now. It's been at least 1.5 hours since our last fish was landed. Gotten some bites, but other than that, no real fish. On the bright side, we do have this beautiful, beautiful sunset. Oh, that's
Brian,
so
you can't even
nice.
see the sunset from here.
You can see the horizon,
see the
though.
remnants of it.
Oh, that's beautiful. It's like cotton candy. Oh, okay, come on.
Real, Ryan, real.
Oh no, can you please? Ooh. All right, it's a catfish. There we go. Nate, you want this guy? Take him.
No, you got them. You hooked him, Ryan. Yeah. Need a lander?
Probably. Side. Woo, let's go. All right, come on. I think it's a catfish. All right, got the drag all set. Yeah, that's a good sized cat, I think. Wait, hey, this might be a bass, dude. Oi! What is it? Bowfin? Noah, what's up? Oh! All right.
Holy cow.
All right, Nate. Land this sucker. Land this boy. Yes! Let's go!
I've never caught a
That's your second, right, Ryan?
Yeah, second bowfin.
2 now. He caught one on a popper a while ago.
What bait are you using?
Just live fish. Live bait, yeah. Nate, can you work the big camera?
Yeah.
Nah, bowfin. Yeah. Guys, big bowfin. Check out that mouth on him. Oh, dude.
3.67.
Nice. Okay, you ready? Woo! Almost lost the grippers there. All right, he wants to go. Bye. All right, well, I guess I'm just chilling here. We're waiting for friend Nate to finally hook up. He's been helping us cast net this whole time. He hasn't really touched a rod. So let's get him on a big fish. Finally caught a fish of my own, aside from that first catfish, but it's a giant bowfin. Ethan went to go catch some more bait fish, and yeah, it's just waiting game now. Man, y'all, that was crazy. That's my first bowfin for this year, actually. Rod is in the water, same place where I caught the bowfin, Let's see, something will eat it. All right, well, got a fish. Boy, it's pretty good. Fish on. It's catfish.
Get the little baby right.
Awesome. All right, well, got another fish. I think this is a black bullhead or a bullhead. I'm not too sure. See a catfish. Ah, let go. All right, he gone. Very cool. Oh, come on. Come on, buddy. You got it. Swim off. There, yeah, he's good. He's all healthy. He's just tired. All right, so how many rods do we have out in the water right now? 3? Okay, so we got 3 rods in the water. Right now it's prime time. The time is now 9 o'clock. These catfish are hungry, maybe bass as well. Like Ethan's caught a bunch of big bass at 9 o'clock, right? Around there? All right, so yeah, we're just more waiting, but can't wait for the next big bite. Gotta get Nathan on a fish.
Doubled up!
Yeah. I was reeling it in too.
Oh, nice, Nathan.
I'm just gonna boat flip him. Ready?
All right, woo! There we go. All right, double up.
Double up.
You're on.
Yeah.
Good fish.
It feels decent.
Oh, catfish. That's another catfish. How cool.
Okay, there's my pliers.
You can keep him pulled up. You can just flip him
Yeah,
up.
just flip them up.
It's like the exact same fish.
It is like the same size.
Both the boys got fish. Why is the light so bad? Okay, there we go. Nice.
They're the exact same fish.
They're
like
very,
brother
very
and
close.
sister.
Dang.
They're exactly the same length. Probably the exact same species. He's ready.
Yeah. Don't let them take your nippers. There you go. Nice job, Nate. Where's he gone? Oh no.
We're good.
All right, awesome. Think that's it, boys.
Yep. It's a wrap.
All right, guys, so we finished up here tonight. Ethan, what went down here?
Well, we had a good day fishing at the reservoir today using live bait. We caught bowfin, bass, maybe a couple species of catfish. I'm not quite sure. And then at the end, Nathan, if you wanted to describe it.
At the end, I was the net man most of the time, but then Ethan and I doubled up at the end, and that was awesome. Even though they were little squeakers, it's still good to double up.
So anyways, I hope you really liked this video. Like, we personally had a blast filming and fishing this entire video. So make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and join the FisherYin family. All right, that's good.